Hey kids, I'm Bob the Train, and I'm happy to announce all of my videos are now available in the new Bob the Train app. Dedicated functions for parents, including a timer that locks the app once the countdown is complete. You can download these videos to watch them offline later or stream them without any pesky ads. Tag your videos for easy access in the future. Looking for something specific? Browse by category or use the search function to look for your favorite video. No in-app purchases. No advertising. Absolutely kid-friendly and safe. All you have to do is pay once and watch forever! Create and manage your own playlist. I almost forgot! Download from the App Store today!